In this video, I am going to show you how to create a free QR code using Bitly. Let's get started. First, log into your Bitly account at bitly.com. Once you're on the dashboard, click Create New in the top left corner and select QR Code. Paste your destination URL into the field provided. Next, click Design Your Code. Here, you can customize the style, colors, logo, and frame to match your brand. Preview your QR code to make sure it looks good on different devices. When you're ready, click Create Your Code, then download it. You can also generate a QR code from an existing link. Go to Links, click the link title, and select Create QR. The QR code will be connected to the same link, and you'll be able to track scan analytics. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.